guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to do a video with some gift ideas. These are things that we already have, so I can attest to the fact that they are played with a lot. I tried to choose toys that can be used for multiple purposes. One of the main types of toys that we try to avoid are toys that are just like one specific purpose. So the toys I'm going to be talking about today are more like open-ended and can be used for a lot of different types of play. And so I hope you'll find these recommendations helpful as you do your shopping this year and trying to make sure that you're spending money on things that your kids are actually going to play with for a really long time. Okay, so let's get right into this list.
The first item that I wanted to talk about are these play mats, and we have two of them. This is the town design, and my son plays with these for hours on end. So these are a really great option. We just keep ours rolled up in the corner, and then you just can put them down on the floor, and you can play, especially if your kid is really into playing cars like mine is. It comes with these little tractors and trailer, and yeah, he plays with all of his toy animals on these. It's just a really great way to like encourage independent play because there's so many different things that you can imagine and use your imagination with these play mats. So this is the town design, and they also have, I believe, a construction site design. We have the town as well as the farm. The next gift idea that I wanted to share are the Lovevery play kits, and this is a subscription box, so this would be something that you could, if you wanted to keep the Christmas spirit alive all year. But what's great about these, we've done these since Charlie was just over a year old, and they are specific for the age of your child. So the toys that are included are all educational toys based on your child's developmental age. All of their toys are really like open-ended, simple. Each kit comes with one of these little booklets that explains all of the toys that are included in the box and why those toys are great for your child's development. These books also tell you like what's going on in your child's brain right now and what's developing. I find these books to be so helpful. In fact, I have saved them all for if we have any future kids, so I can refer back to them because they're just really helpful if you just want to know, what's going on with your child right now. They also show you how to use the toys that are included in the box. And then they also have more activities in the back that are just kind of DIY, using things that you might have around the house or from previous boxes and things like that. So it's just really helpful if you want to be really intentional about the types of toys that your kid plays with. There's been a lot of research to show that Montessori style toys and simple toys are really great for your child's development, and I've talked a little bit about that before on my channel here. But if you want to kind of take the guesswork out of it so that you're not always having to figure out the types of toys that would be the most useful for your child at their current age, this really does all of the guesswork for you, and it just makes it fun too when a new box comes. It's like Christmas morning every time you get a new box. Another great thing about Lovevery is they use all sustainable materials. So if you guys are trying to live a more non-toxic lifestyle like I've been working on lately, this is great for that because we all know kids put everything in their mouths. The next toy category that I wanted to talk about are these animal figurines, and you can kind of just go by whatever animals your kid is into. These are just really great because they're realistic looking, and they're also super durable. They don't fall apart as easily as like the lighter weight plastic versions. So I will link to a bunch of different options like this. These are kind of from all over, and some are actually old toys that my husband used to play with when he was a kid. The next category of toys are vehicles, and specifically these little vehicles. We have a couple of realistic like metal ones like this mail truck. And so that's really cool because the doors work and you can, pretend to put mail in the back. He loves those. I get these also from all over, kind of like the animal toys. I got this school bus from Goodwill. But little vehicles are always played with around here, and you can get these sets of construction vehicles, town vehicles, and things like that. And I will link to those below. They would make a great gift along with one of those play mats that I mentioned earlier. Just that would be a really great set. The next toy I wanted to mention are these wooden rainbow toys. And I always used to see these on playroom tours, and I just thought they were so beautiful. But they actually are a really great open-ended toy. They come apart into all of these pieces. They are awesome for teaching your kid colors. You can also like count them. So they're kind of a simple, educational type of toy. But he also uses them. He pretends that they're a phone, and we talk on the phone with them. He has his little animals pretend like it's a slide or vehicles go over them and things like that. So it's kind of a great one because it's a decorative piece, but it's also played with a lot too. Next up are these musical instruments, and Charlie is just getting to the age where he can enjoy this type of thing. But a little basket with musical instruments, I just think is such a great addition to a play area. Encouraging music and our kids and a love of music, I think, is important and fun. So these came in a couple of different sets. So the one has, maracas and all of these kind of simple children's toys, and then you can also get a xylophone separately. So I'll link all of these below, but a whole bunch of little children's musical instruments in a basket I think would make a really great Christmas gift. The next type of toy that is sure to get played with for literally years is a really great, beautiful set of building blocks. I picked this set up from Lovevery, and it is a bit of an investment, but again, it's something that they will play with for literally years. It comes with so many different types of blocks, and it also comes with a huge guide for just different ideas of how you can play with them and different little setups that you can do for your kids. It comes with these little pretend people, and just like all of Lovevery products, they are made out of sustainable, non-toxic materials. So these are just really great quality wooden set. And it also comes with this box. This is actually what it comes in when you open the box. It comes with this wooden box that has all of the blocks in it. And you can use this to do lots of different activities. So you can put the shape sorter thing at the top and they can put the blocks through it. You can put this piece on. Charlie likes to do this and pretend like it's a slide. And there are blocks that are like little wheels. Something really cool about this set is you can actually turn the box into a car. And again, being that my son is obsessed with everything related to cars and vehicles, he loves to do this. This piece here is like a bead lacing toy as well. So that's really good for their fine motor development. So yeah, all of these blocks are so multi-purpose and open-ended, and I just know he's going to play with this for years to come. The next toy I wanted to mention, this seems maybe like a silly one, but it's this shopping cart. I think he plays with this. This is like one of his top 3 most played with toys, and we got him this for Christmas last year. It has been such a great toy for him. He uses it kind of like a stroller shopping cart, combination. He loves to take his little stuffed animals on a ride in there. And yeah, I don't know really what else to say about this. It's just, it'll get played with a lot. And then the last toy that I wanted to mention is our wooden climber. And anytime I post about this on Instagram, I get a ton of questions asking where it's from. So I'll be sure to link it below. But this is called a pickler triangle. And it's great to get when your kids are pretty little, like just able to pull themselves up. And the idea behind it is they can kind of slowly and gradually learn to climb as it's developmentally appropriate, and it helps them to learn balance and coordination in a way that is really natural to them. We've had this for a really long time, and Charlie still plays with it on a regular basis, and I love it because it folds up. You can see how I just unfolded it there, but that's really great for storage. And then it also comes with this ramp slash slide piece, and he uses that a lot more now that he's getting older. It just adds another little challenge. So this is a great thing to have on hand for rainy days or, days when your kid is kind of bouncing off the walls. This gives them something to do that is physical and kind of gets their wiggles out. And it also definitely fills the category that this video is all about, of toys that will kind of grow with them, last a long time, it's open-ended, and as an added benefit, I think it's really pretty to look at.
Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, be sure to click the like button and make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any new videos. And you can also follow me over on Instagram. I will have links to everything that I mentioned in the description box below. I'll see you next time. Bye.